Are you exhausted every day, even though you try to get enough sleep and eat the right foods? Well, it turns out your favorite health foods may actually be causing your fatigue. And one of these sneaky, sleepy foods is actually one of my favorite snacks of all. My audience doesn't know this, but earlier we had a yawn cam to capture some unsuspecting sleepy people. Take a look at these yawners. Here's the audience. There they are. Oh my goodness. They're there. This is before the show in the holding area. Well, they happen to be sitting next to each other here. What happened here? Are you tired?
Oh, yes. I caught the 6:40 a.m. train and I haven't eaten yet, so I keep on yawning.
Same thing. And I had half a cup of fiber cereal for breakfast, which has not really filled me up.
So you got hunger, we got early awakening. Are you big yawners in general?
When I start, I can't stop. How about that?
And you think you eat well generally?
Yeah.
You do?
Yes.
All right, give me your names real quick.
Carly.
Carly?
Melanie.
Carly and Melanie, I want you to be part of my bike club today.
Okay. Awesome.
All right? There's a table over here. I'm going to have you taste solutions because I'm going to show you some things you guys and others are eating and drinking to get yourselves in the right place, but actually you're doing the opposite, all right?
Sounds good.
Awesome.
I'll see you at the bike table.
Okay.
Let's bring in nutritionist JJ Smith to unmask the biggest sneaky, sleepy foods. The first one is what many of you think is your go-to on-the-go food. It's the healthiest thing out there for most people. It's your morning smoothie. They're dominating the country. They're all over the place. But some people, they just don't feel good. They feel tired the rest of the day.
Mm-hmm. Well, you know I love green smoothies for breakfast. However, when you buy store-bought or you kind of get a green smoothie on the go, you're going to get a lot of additives. You're going to get loaded sugar. I mean, let's look at this one. It has 68 grams of sugar. Gosh. This is pineapple juice. You know that's just loaded with sugar.
Yep.
And when you
without the fiber.
Yeah, without the fiber. And so when you drink a smoothie like this, it's going to cause you to have energy dips. You think you're getting all these healthy nutrients, but you're getting a lot of sugar, and you won't feel energized throughout the day.
So we put it to the test. We actually got a timeline of a smoothie from one of our viewers, Asha. We asked her to take a photo diary of her energy throughout the day. So here she is, drinking the smoothie. Right? Look at her, peppy, ready to go. Lots of energy there. Then 2 hours later, with the evidence, by the way, right? She's ready for a nap. Right? So you're the queen of smoothies. You got more smoothies up your sleeves than anyone I've ever met.
You know, I'm about that green smoothie life. And so I actually pulled a recipe that is actually all natural ingredients. It has low sugar fruit. It has pears, which is only 19 grams of sugar. It's going to be delightful too. And it has, see, the difference with that one is this has greens, which will slow the absorption of sugars. Yeah. It has some mint. It has some ginger.
Is this water?
Yes, that's water.
Yeah.
And
I was gonna say, it's just the right amount of
sweetness.
Yeah.
Right, not too sweet, but just enough to give you energy without causing you to have those crashes, because the ingredients, particularly the fiber and the greens, will slow the absorption of sugars. So you'll stay, you'll keep that pep in your step all day long.
Yeah. I've got my Bike Club members over there. So, do you agree with me? Do you think it's the right amount of sweet?
It's perfect.
Oh, yes. This mint, it's so light. It's not like a regular smoothie.
Yeah, it tantalizes your taste buds without having to explode sugar in your mouth.
Right.
Which means you can do this all day long.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay.
Next sleepy, surprisey food, surprised even me, did not expect it. Hummus. I grew up with this stuff. I love it. One of my favorite snacks of all time.
This is a surprise.
And yet it makes us want to take a nap.
Yeah, well, hummus provides protein for energy, but not as much as we think. And so when you're eating hummus, you get, it also provides L-tryptophan.
Yes.
And what that does is causes us to raise the levels of melatonin in the brain, which can make us feel sleepy.
That's what turkey has in it.
Yeah,
right?
And think about it. When we eat hummus, we often use pretzels, we use pita bread, more sleepy carbs that make us feel very tired and sleepy.
So you have a hack.
Bam! I got a better alternative, Dr. Oz. So this is a very simple 3-ingredient alternative. Greek yogurt, peanut butter, and vanilla extract. And when you combine these together, right, you like? Okay, this is like lick your fingers good though, right? Very good. It's a great alternative.
It's surprising. Peanut butter and yogurt. I don't know why we haven't done it earlier.
I know, it's such a good protein power punch that will help you stay energized all day as well.
Michael, keep us honest. Your thoughts on this?
It's like a fluffernutter. I love it.
I love fluffernutter.
It's like fluffernutter.
Did I hear love? They love it.
Yeah, this is my favorite, definitely. It's light, and I just love that it kind of tastes like a cream cheese because it's so light.
stop
But
eating
it's lighter.
The texture, the mouth feels
Yes,
right.
I love it.
All right, next,
Okay.
got a sleepy food here that a lot of people think is part of their foundation for health is tuna fish.
you
How's that
believe
possible?
it?
It's another food with tryptophan in it.
Yeah, I know. And also eating tuna, it has high amounts of vitamin B6, which will also cause us to produce melatonin.
Yeah.
So if you're going to do tuna as a protein punch, you got to do some lettuce wraps. Look how divine this looks, right? But when you use lettuce wraps, it's a much better alternative.
Fight Club, what do you guys think of these things?
I love the combination of the tuna and the lettuce. I
You
never
like
would
it?
have put those two together.
Very
And
light.
It's perfect.
And this is crunchy. Like, I feel something crunchy in there, and that makes it so good.
We love crunchy.
What's your favorite one so far?
Oh,
I like this. I like the tuna and the
Tuna?
lettuce. Yeah.
it's a tie, but this has got pear in it, right?
Yes.
Well, Dr. Oz, it is very good. Let me tell you that.
That's a minty pear power smoothie.
You know what? I'm going to take the Greek yogurt with the peanut butter. They're also darn good. You're going to get a ton no matter where you go.
I love these recipes.
Wonderful advice as always. You can find those recipes on DrOz.com. Up next, it's a quiz to find the perfect DIY all-natural energy drink customized for you. Even better, there are only 2 ingredients. Just 2 ingredients. Stick around. Today, a quiz to help you find the perfect natural energy drink just for you. Even better, these energy drinks only need 2 ingredients. Nutritionist JJ Smith is back to help break it down. Everyone, please follow along. Keep track of your answers so you can find this quiz on DrOz.com. JJ, the first question is...
Question number 1. When I wake up in the morning, I feel...
Well, do you feel like you need to be dragged out of bed? Or, ooh, you're like a zombie, right? These are the B's. And if you're a C, look at this, you're so perked up, you're ready to go. Don't you hate people like that?
I do.
Right? All right.
I really
so
do.
those are the 3 options. Okay, JJ, next question.
Okay. Question number 2. During the afternoon, I am...
Are you A, starting to gain momentum? Remember, you couldn't get out of bed in the beginning, you had the pillows over your head. Now you started getting you going. The A's feel that way. The B's, you're still like a zombie, right? I spared you the picture this time. And the C's, you were so chipper early in the morning, but now you're exhausted. Someone tucked me into bed already. That's how you feel.
Yeah.
All right, last question in the quiz. It is, JJ.
Question number 3. In the evening, when I look back on my day, my energy looks like...
A, red airplane. Take it off. It started slow, right? In the morning, you couldn't get out of bed, but right now you're picking up speed. You're going to keep going. Or are you B, the zombie? You're still the zombie. You've been the zombie the whole darn day, right? Or C, your phone battery, right? That's like you. It was 100% in the morning when you got up, chipper, ready to go. But now in the evening, it's down to 5%. You're getting alarms and, people aren't happy with you, right? So tally up your letters, A's, B's, or C's.
Okay.
JJ, you got solutions for us. For the A's, mostly A's out there, these are the slow to rise people, right?
Yes.
What do they ought to do?
Okay, the mostly A's, these are the people who need a boost first thing in the morning, as soon as they wake up. So what we have for them is the Green Monster Morning Shot.
Oh, I like that.
You like it?
Yes.
And remember, these are 2 ingredients. So it's simply matcha powder and almond milk. What we're gonna do is basically pour some almond milk, okay? We're gonna put some almond milk. You're gonna put in the matcha powder. And this is a little martini glass. How many people know about martinis? And you just basically mix it up like this.
I can see you doing martinis. So
Yeah.
over the shoulder like this.
Right.
Stirred, not
I didn't want to
shaken.
get too cute with it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then basically you pour it, and you turn up. You drink it like a shot, just like you would a shot anywhere.
Where's
Just like that.
a mostly A? I want to have a mostly A. Oh, come on down, lady in blue. Come on down. Now, you identify with A's?
I do.
All right, you want to taste this with me?
I would love to.
We're going to do it in our own unique way, though. We're going to do it with a shot ski. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Don't spill this.
Don't spill it.
You got it? On 3. 1, you got to drink the whole thing.
Okay.
Have you ever done this before?
No.
All right, you brave?
I'm not admitting to it.
Okay. Are you awake yet? You're one of the A's.
No, I need this
All
apparently.
right. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Did you like it?
Absolutely.
You taste the green tea a little bit?
Taste the green tea. It was
matcha?
refreshing.
Yeah.
Nice.
I
Very
like
nice.
it. And the coconut, there's just the deal. Well, she knows that. She's a master with 2 ingredients.
Nice job.
Makes it fantastic.
Very
Here's a little
nice
gift
job.
from the show.
Oh, thank you so much.
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, apparently I.
All right, next up. What if you're mostly bees? You know as the zombies?
Yes.
Zombies, what do you do?
Okay, the mostly bees, they basically have no energy from the time they wake up all day long.
Jeez.
So we have a very simple 2-ingredient drink for them. It has chia seeds and it has coconut water. And so it's a really nice drink where you get the chia seeds. And I like coconut water because it keeps us hydrated all throughout the day.
Yeah.
So this is a fun one to drink as well.
I think it's brilliant. It also soothes some of the angst of the zombies.
Yes,
so it's a great
absolutely.
idea.
Okay,
All right, next,
great.
let's talk about the C's. These are the people who burn brightly but briefly.
Yeah, the mostly C's, okay, you know, they're the ones that need a little boost in the afternoon. 2, 3 o'clock, how many people need a nap?
Yeah.
Those are the C's. So what we have for them is the Flying Inner Bee drink. And this is
Inner Bee.
Inner Bee. This is simply iced ginger tea and honey.
What's that? Can I see who are the C's out there?
Where are C's?
Here. You keep talking over there, JJ. I'm
Okay,
gonna pass
so
these
why
out.
I like this drink, it has ginger tea in it. And what ginger is going to do is reduce inflammation, but it's going to improve blood circulation. It's going to improve your blood sugar levels, keep you very energized. And how about the honey? The honey's going to have fructose. And when you have fructose, it gives you that boost of energy right away.
Do we have happy customers here?
Yes,
People have tasted
are
it.
they
Do you like them?
smiling? Yes.
Well, they used them all up and they're happy. All right, all these recipes, everybody on DrOz.com. JJ, thank you as always.
Absolutely.
We'll be right back, everybody.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.